Today, the US stock market has again incurred losses. Compared to yesterday's figures, the Dow fell by 0.5%, while the S&P 500 and NASDAQ indexes dropped by about 1.5%. Fluctuations in the equity market can be attributed to the fact that large investors are currently locking in profits. Many companies consider the stock market overbought, so they sell off shares regardless of the overall economic situation in the United States. The S&P 500 index failed to consolidate at the record levels. Since yesterday, its quotes began to decline due to the sell-off of the leading tech companies' shares. The index is currently trading at 4,135, but its downward movement is likely to continue until tomorrow, so the quote may reach the level of 4,100. Investors are deeply concerned about rising inflation. This is why they begin to revise the prospects for business development. The US dollar index is trading near its lows. During the New York session, it was trading at 90.20. The greenback is unable to regain ground due to the super soft policy of the Fed. However, it may assert strength if the US stock market slides into a correctional phase. The weaker US dollar across the board, coupled with the higher oil prices, affected the dynamics of the US dollar-Canadian dollar pair. Today, the greenback is trading at 1.2110 against the loonie. Until tomorrow, the quotes are expected to move in a fairly narrow range between the levels of 1.2105 and 1.2100. Speaking of the cryptocurrency market, the price of Bitcoin bounced from $60,000 on Monday and dropped back to $55,000. From a technical point of view, BTC is likely to rebound from 54,500, which are viewed to making another attempt to break through the psychological mark of $60,000. Moreover, fundamental factors seem to be rather favorable to this scenario. Despite the current situation, there is no reason to panic, believing that investors have started to lock in profits and to leave the market. This is just a transfer of assets from stocks of one sector to another. This is evidenced by the fact that the stocks of defensive sectors were among the best performers yesterday. In addition, there has been a growing interest in the shares of medical companies for quite a long time. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.